Hi, this is Mike Buck, owner and pilot of November 340 Echo Bravo. It's a 1976 340 Alpha Ram 6 conversion. Today we're on a flight from Hayward, California to Tacoma, Washington, 591 nautical miles. Should take us about 2 hours and 45 minutes, and we're flying at 20,000 feet, and we're going to go over some of the features and demonstration of the aircraft. First of all, I wanted to show you the most interesting part of this aircraft is the total time on the airframe, 1,931 hours, and I am the second owner of the aircraft. As you look, we are established. It's a morning flight, and I'll freeze here. We are on the left-hand side. We're truing out at 217 knots, and we're at a power setting of about 69% power. That's a very normal and reasonable speed that we get out of the aircraft. We've got on the left-hand side a crosswind of 40 knots, so it's slowing our ground speed at 208 knots. But we're doing just fine at 20,000 feet, and the aircraft is performing quite well. As we make our way up from Northern California, I wanted to demonstrate the tightness of the cabin, and I'll freeze here on the pressurization system. The 340A has a 4.2 pound PSI differential, and you can see at 20,000 feet we've got about a 7,800 foot cabin, which is very nice for a flight that's 3 hours, almost 3 hours in length. We'll go over the rest of the Garmin equipment in a moment, but I wanted to show you this is the annunciator for the STEC 65, which is running the autopilot, which is running the machine connected to the GAD 43 Echo. You can also see the prop sync and the electric trim that are operating right now. The Oracle 2120 is one of my favorite parts of the aircraft. You can see the engine management system. Both the left and right engines are producing about 31.5 inches of manifold pressure, 2330 on the RPM, just under 21 gallons an hour, and you can see the temperatures. CHTs and EGTs are very well matched. It's also on the left-hand side, you can see the fuel reserve left, and at the bottom you can see we're running 69% power, 233 horsepower a side. Oil temps and oil pressures are in the green, and this is also where you get your fuel rating. In this case we have 30 gallons on either side remaining. So here's the overall picture of the avionics. It's probably I'll pause it here. On the left hand side, that's a mid-continent SAM backup instrument. In the center, your primary flight instruments, a Garmin G500, your Navcom, Garmin GTN 750 with GTN 650 below, Garmin audio panel, and a remote transponder. I mentioned a little bit ago about the Oracle engine management system, and on the right-hand side, the backup system is the Aspen Copilot backup instrument. So hope you enjoyed the narrative and the flight. Safe flying to you.